Welcome to BizGuide Vegas, your one-stop guide to doing business in Las Vegas. Today, we're going to learn how to create a client account on OnlineJobs.ph. OnlineJobs.ph is the largest online marketplace to find and hire Filipino employees and virtual assistants, similar to online freelancing platforms like Upwork. If you are starting up a business and are in need of freelancers that deliver excellent service, learning to create a client account at OnlineJobs.ph is perfect for you. The first step that one must do in creating a client account on OnlineJobs.ph is to create a profile by registering at their homepage. On the search page of your browser, type OnlineJobs.ph, hit enter, and click on the link. At the homepage, click on Sign Up and go to the tab that states, I want to hire, and fill out the required information to register your account that includes your full name, email address, and password. Once you're done, make sure to tick on the box to agree with the terms of service and privacy policy before clicking on the button to register. You will end up on a page that is similar to what you're looking at. The second step after completing your registration is for you to complete your profile information under the account settings. Located on the upper right-hand side, click on Account and choose Account Settings on the drop-down menu. You will end up on the Account Settings page where you will be required to enter the information for your business name, business address, country, time zone, contact number, and website. Once you're done at this part, simply click on the button to save profile information. Note that on the same page, you may also update your password and choose the option to save login information. Thank you for watching our BizGuide video on how to create a client account on OnlineJobs.ph. Should you have any questions about how to start your business in the state of Nevada, do type them in the comments below. If you like what you're learning from our channel, click like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content from BizGuide Vegas.